Welcome to the Tiger Password Recovery tutorial video. Today, we will show you how to use Tiger Password Recovery software to recover forgotten password. Step 1. Open your browser and visit our official website. Click on Product and then select Tiger Password Recovery. Download the software based on your computer's system. Step 2. Download and launch the software on your computer. On the software interface, click on the Me icon in the upper right corner to activate your account. Connect your phone to the computer using a USB cable. If a prompt appears on your phone, click the Trust button. Click the Start button to begin scanning the data. If you remember the encrypted backup password, enter it in the pop-up window. If you forgot the encrypted backup password, you can choose to remove it. After removing the password, you need to set a new password. You may be required to enter the lock screen password of your phone to proceed. Wait for the software to recover the data. Step 3. Once the scanning is complete, the software will display a list of passwords on the screen. Here, you can view the results and select the desired data. After selecting the desired data, click the Export button. After successfully exporting, your data will be saved on the computer. Congratulations on completing the operation of Tiger Password Recovery. Remember to keep your passwords safe and regularly back up your passwords.